In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Uzbekistan on Remitly. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Remitly account. If you already have the app installed, simply launch it and sign in. If you're using a browser instead, open the Remitly website and access your account from there. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving forward so you can see all of the transfer options clearly. Once you're inside your account, look at the country option near the top of the screen. This is where you choose the destination for your transfer. Click on that country field and select Uzbekistan. After choosing Uzbekistan, click Send Money to move to the Transfer Setup page. This tells Remitly where the funds are going and helps the platform show the correct delivery and payment options for that destination. Next, you'll choose who you're sending the money to. If the recipient's contact information has already been saved in your account, you can simply click their contact and continue. This is the quickest option because a lot of the details may already be filled in for you. If the person is not saved yet, click New Contact and then select their country. Be careful here and make sure the recipient information matches their official details because even small errors can sometimes delay a transfer. After that, enter the amount you want to send. As you type in the amount, Remitly may also show you the exchange rate, any fees, and the amount the recipient is expected to receive. Take a moment to review those details so you know exactly what the transfer looks like before continuing. Now, select the delivery method. The options available can vary depending on the destination and the recipient's setup, so choose the one that matches how they want to receive the money. Then, select your payment method. This is how you will pay for the transfer, so choose the option that works best for you and make sure the payment details are ready. Once that's done, click Continue. You'll then be asked to enter the recipient's account details. Fill those in carefully and follow the prompts on your screen to complete the transfer. Before confirming, it's always a good idea to review everything one last time, including the recipient details, amount, and delivery method, to avoid mistakes. And that's how to send money to Uzbekistan on Remitly.